Brilla, 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 Brilla toys. Hello children, let's see how to trace the patterns using this wooden tracing pattern frames. So here you can see we have 4 of them of different patterns. We are going to see one by one, and if you have this material, please put it on the table and you have to use this pointer to do this activity. So are you ready? Okay, now when you take this material, you will see there is a arrow mark, means you have to trace it along this arrow. Okay, that means from your left side to right side. Okay, so now hold this pointer with the help of 3 fingers. Okay, hold it tight and then trace it inside the groove. Then, so what are we tracing? We are tracing the slipping lines. It will make some noise, but that's okay. We'll do it 3 times. Okay, we have done the slipping lines, right? Now let us see how to do the standing lines. So there are some standing lines. So you can see again the arrow is showing downwards. So let's start doing the standing lines. Now, if you want to, you can use a pencil to trace it. So, when you use a pencil, what will you see is the lines inside the grooves. Okay? You are already forming the lines. See children, once you practice this activity, slipping lines, we have just now finished the standing lines. Now we will take the curved lines. Okay, what will happen, it will become very easy for you to do pattern tracing as well as writing. Again, hold the frame and then do the tracing. Remember one thing, when you are tracing, do not lift your hand till you finish and follow the pattern. It feels good. Okay, so I'm keeping it now and I'm using a pencil, and see that when I trace it, how the pattern, wow, it looks like a curved C. Yes. Okay, like this, go on. So this we have done. Now we will do one more. Do you know which pattern is this? This is called zigzag. Okay, so up the mountain and down the mountain. Okay, this is how we go up the mountain and then we go down the mountain like this. Take a pencil. So the zigzag is formed inside the grooves here, you can see. Okay, so keep practicing this this is a very nice material. If you practice this, what will happen is when you try to do the patterns in the notebook, in the activity book, before that if you practice this, or just before writing, okay, the letters of the alphabet or numbers, just if you practice this, you will find that you are able to do writing very well, because this material helps you to exercise your fingers, your muscles, your wrist movement so well. So once you exercise your fingers and hand muscles and the wrist movement and all, you will find it very easy to write in the notebook, activity book and the pattern book. All the best, children. Keep practicing.
Brilla toy. Authentic wooden learning toys.